Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Sana, one thing you can never use against me is the fact that I love foreign men. The reason why it's mostly Xhosa women that goes for foreign men is the fact that we stand on the truth and we are very bold, and you cannot come for us. You cannot come for us. We are not ashamed of anything. I'm not ashamed of the fact that I'm Xhosa. I'm not ashamed of the fact that I date foreign men. When I know STI, the men that you have to text first, the men that only texts you first if the weather is not doing the right things. A man that you have to remind, Ukbana, you are a woman, you need to be taken care of. Oh, Sana, I go for a man that knows business. Indoda yeqe border man. A man must have a criminal record as serious. Angithi nithi badayisa ama drugs. Le yakhe indoda ene-criminal record of beating you up, criminal record of drunken driving. Ya awona madoda indoda ayazi ibribe, ayikhulunywe ngokuthi ibribe ipolisa nge-20,000. Amadoda enabhabha amaphoyisa ngo-20 rand for driving without a license. Man, leave me alone. I'd rather go there, and I'm there, darling, and I'm staying. I choose how much you want. How much you're gonna need. I'm hungry, babe, so what do you think you're gonna have today? Not whether I'm hungry, actually, what are you gonna cook? Njani? Who said I wanna cook today? I have this problem, so what are you gonna do? Ha! Kala no sandile benqisi. Asina mona we like umuntu wenza into ayithandayo ngempilo yakhe amakorekore ewe nina labo gatsheni oboya benyathi ongcobo mapholo ba. Where does that benefit you that indoda inesithakazelo? Awusho izithakazelo zakhe. Isithakazelo sendoda sizongenzelani? I don't care about isithakazelo. I care about what he gives me. He gives me money when I'm in need. It's fine. Ngidolela imali, ngidolela inhlupheko. Wena ngidolela ipoverty. Ipoverty iyathelelana nje, guys. No, iyathelelana. If when you choose poverty as a boyfriend or as a partner, it's fine. If you choose to date amakorekore, guys, kuyafana. Sonke mase sikhumulile isinqumo siyafana. And mina ngikwazi ukujula nendoda ezothi mama kumina. Angisunyoko mina. Angisunyoko mina. Angisunyoko. So nje, please, if you see me with my foreign man, just leave me alone, because no, Guti, I'm at peace. Now ehlala ke ne-STI, ne always have to text first, ne always having to go and report GPV, ne what, fine. Your man that is working 9 to 5, that you have to wait for month end to get money, it's okay. Indoda yakho ene-loan yase-Capitec, it is fine. Indoda yakho ekwazi ukubhriba nge-20 rand, it is well. It is what you choose for yourself. A man that strikes, if there is anything wrong in the community or whatever, iya striker. Indoda eyo striker. Going there, burning things. And then I will say that is my man. I know, my man must make a plan. Things are not going well in the house. He won't blame the government. He will wake the fuck up and go work. A man must make a plan. A man must have like 3, 4, 5 streams of income. If this one didn't bring money in today, another one will. If that money is coming from drugs, oh darling, I don't know about that. If your man is waiting for a pay slip in order to take care of you, then that's on you, baby. That's on you. Okay. Enjoy the rest of your day. Jesus loves you, and my man loves me more. Peace out.
I'm a Jolofina. Of course, I'll have jollof rice every time I feel like. I'm a Jolofina. Of course, I can never run out of cash. What do you mean? I'm a Jolofina. Of course, I have a Nigerian-inspired business. I'm a Jolofina. Of course, I'm updated with the latest fashion trends of Nigeria. I'm a Jolofina. Of course, I'll randomly get showered with gifts. Guys, there's this thing I need to address nabantu who think they know me because of my personality. Okay, lunenkinga uthi, don't make your whole personality being a Jolofina. It looks cheap. Looks cheap to who, baby girl? Guys, mina being a Jolofina is my thing. Like, being a Jolofina is my brand. Like, it just makes me happy. It makes me money. Ucabanga ukuthi bengizoba ne-Lego style if I was not a Jolofina. Hayibo girl. Looks cheap. Looks cheap njani when I have people placing orders every day. Looks cheap njani when I have people placing orders every day that they want to buy izinto zase-Lagos. Bethuna nabhekana iindaba zenu niphume kuthina thina senza imali. Oh, busy. Looks cheap. Looks cheap how? Does this girl look cheap to you? Guys, igele yatholakala kwa-Lego style 750 ningidm if niyayifuna. And namanje ngiceda udla ispaghetti and beef stew sama-Jolofina. Nibhizi ningitshela into engingayazi la. Phumani kumina guys.
Jolofinas has decided to take to social media to talk about their men and also South African men. And guys, when I say this is just something else, I mean that. But I feel like with this one, it's a very sensitive topic and anyone should do what fits them. Yes, what they see with this one is good for me. If you feel like dating a South African man is good for you, then do that. If you feel like dating a Nigerian man is good for you, do that. No one will stop you. And I feel like love has no borders. Like you cannot choose who to love, and because I know there are people out there who swear at first they will never date a foreign man and then find themselves in that kind of situation. So with this one, I really don't know what to say or how to feel. Please comment your thoughts down below in the comment section. Plus, just looking at this, I know that some people will talk about bad things that are happening out there, which we can all see. We have seen women coming out crying on social media. Good guys, and please help. Something has happened to me, or my boyfriend from Nigeria or from wherever has done this to me, and they just disappeared. I cannot see them. This is what is happening, and I have seen people being very insensitive on social media when it comes to South African women who are dating foreign men, and it happened with things it does not work out, or things did not go well, and it ended up being very, very bad for them, or maybe their lives are in danger, or but I have seen people responding in a very insensitive way.